our PBIS assembly. First thing on the list will be the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You guys all did a great job saying the pledge. We're going to start out today with what song, Peter Panther? Our hello song.
Hello, hello, Hello. It's wonderful to see your face again. Hello, hello, in case you didn't know, it's super nice to have you as my friend. The wind might blow, it may rain or sleet or snow. You never know just what the sky might do. Whatever kind of day, everything is A-okay, 'cause it brought together me and you.
Have a banana.
Hello,
Hello.
hello,
Hello.
Hello, I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U. It may rain or sleet or snow. You never know just what the sky might do. Whatever kind of day, everything is A-okay, 'cause it brought together me and you.
Have a banana.
Hello,
Hello.
hello,
Hello.
Hello, I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U. I love you.
Next, we're going to hear from our cheer team. This year, we have a special cheer team made up of our staff here at Glen Peters. What cheer should they do, Peter Panther? Yeah, we are the Panthers. Woo! Let's hear it, mighty, mighty Panthers. We are the Panthers, the mighty, mighty Panthers. Everywhere we go, people want to know who we are, so we tell them. We are the Panthers, the mighty, mighty Panthers. Everywhere we go, people want to know who we are, so we tell them. We are the Panthers! Great job, everyone. We always like a good cheer from our Peter staff. Our next song for our PBIS assembly will be a Peter Panther's favorite. What is it? Boom, chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. One more time. I said a boom, chicka boom. 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 I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocket, chicka boom. Wow, One more time. Cowboy style. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka ropa, chicka boom. Yahoo! Yeehaw! One more time. Motorcycle style. I said a vroom, chicka vroom. I said a vroom, chicka vroom. I said a vroom, chicka rocket, chicka push a broom.
I said a broom, 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 push a mop, push a mop, push a
I
broom.
said a broom, push a mop, push a mop, push a broom.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Elvis style. I said a boom, chicka boom.
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 I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Underwater style. I said a boom, chicka boom.
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 I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right.
All right.
One more time.
One more time.
This time, get me out of the water.
Great job singing Boom Chicka Boom. Our next song's a new one to kick off our new PBIS theme about feelings. We're gonna sing the Feelings song.
I'm a scribble spot. I'm a rainbow of colors, all in one dot. If I get tangled, I know what to do. Spot my feelings and name them too. So many feelings just swirling around. So many feelings that can be found. I practice all the time, I practice every day. When my feelings show up, I want to know what to say. I'm feeling yellow, yellow and happy. Woohoo! You can see it on my face. I'm feeling red, red and frustrated. I just need some space. I'm feeling sad, sad and blue by what you just said. Boo hoo hoo. I'm feeling pink, pink and loved by the note I just read. Oh, thank you. That's so kind. I'm a scribble spot. I'm a rainbow of colors, all in one dot. If I get tangled, I know what to do. Spot my feelings and name them too. How are you feeling? I'm feeling peaceful and green, the way I like to be. I'm feeling orange and confident, I believe in me. I'm feeling grey and worried, I'm not sure, I'm scared. So many emotions, but I feel prepared. Because when I get a feeling, I just say its name. Can you name your feeling too? Can you do the same? I'm a scribble spot. I'm a rainbow of colors, all in one dot. If I get tangled, I know what to do. Spot my feelings and name them too.
Wow, what a great song. Our next thing is going to be our social story of the month.
Hi guys, I'm Sadness. I'm your sadness spot, and today we're going to talk about a little spot of sadness. Hi, I'm Peaceful Spot, and this blue spot is sadness. What is sadness? Sadness spot looks like it needs a hug. A sadness spot can show up when someone is feeling upset, disappointed, or experienced a loss. Sometimes our peaceful spot makes our sadness spot feel better. You will see both small and large spots of sadness. Having your sadness spot around is okay, but when it stays too long or becomes too big, it doesn't make you feel very good. A sadness spot is unique because it's one of the few emotions that other people can help you with. That's why I want to show you how to spot it. Crying. is one of the ways a sadness spot releases energy, which can help you feel better. It can also show you when a person is feeling down, so you can go help them find their peaceful spot. Find your thumbs up and put your thumbs up if you've ever cried. I know I've cried. Give a thumbs up right now if you've ever cried when you were feeling sad. Good job. It is also important to know that a sadness spot may be there even if someone's not crying. You can look at their body language too. If you see someone frowning or moping, their sadness is definitely nearby. This person could use a friend. Let's put our thumbs up again if you've ever helped a friend when they were feeling sad. I know I've seen a lot of friends around this school who help out their friends when they're feeling sad. Put your thumbs up if you've helped a friend when they're sad. Loneliness can cause your sadness spot to get bigger. If you see someone who could use a friend, ask them if they're okay. Be there to listen. If you've ever experienced what they're going through, let them know they're not alone and you are there for them. You are calming their sadness spot with empathy. It can be common to see anxiety with your sadness spot. If a new kid arrives to class, they may be worried and anxious. Maybe make them feel more welcome by being their friend. You're calming their sadness spot with compassion. A sadness spot can be a little sneaky, like when it shows up before you decide how to react to a problem. Sometimes it helps others if you can help them calm their sadness. Calming that is called teamwork. I lost my unicorn. She's sad. I can help you find it. Is this it? That teamwork helped her sadness spot. You might also see a sadness spot appear when someone has lost a pet or a friend or a family member. Being there to give them a hug and talk about happy times they shared with that person or pet can help them feel love. That will always be in their heart. You are calming their sadness spot with love. Sometimes you might see a sadness spot show up when someone missed a loved one who's far away. You have a friend to have fun with in class that could really help. Calming a sadness spot with friendship. There are all these ways to calm your sadness spot. Some days you just feel sad. You're not really sure why. When you feel like you're being alone and there's no one there to comfort you, sometimes listening to music and drawing, that can help relax your mind. You're calming your sadness spot with creativity. Who likes to listen to music or draw a picture or do art when they're feeling sad? If that helps you feel better, let's do your thumbs up. I love listening to music when I'm feeling sad. If your sadness spot won't go away, I have a trick you can try. Look at your hand. Now imagine one blue spot and one green spot on your palm like this. One blue spot and one green spot. Circle the spots in the middle of your palm. Count the swirls down to calm. Around and around twice more. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Each time you trace around the spots, take a deep breath to calm your thoughts. I'm so glad to see that you've learned how to calm your sadness spot. Always remember our little trick. Circle the spots in the middle of your palm, count the swirls down to calm. Around and around and around twice more. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Each time you trace around the spots, take a deep breath to calm your thoughts. You can imagine your own spots or cut them on a construction paper and place them on your palm. I hope that whenever any of you are feeling sad that your sadness spot will go away and will be replaced with calmness and peacefulness. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.
So now it's time to celebrate our Students of the Month. Peter Panther, show everybody what kind of certificate they're going to get. It's now time to draw for our dance party.
And the winners for the January PBIS dance are Kelly DeMassi's room, Amy Yatrick's room, Jamie Warzinski's class, and Christina Shanistai. Woo! Congratulations!
I hope you all had a great time today at our PBIS assembly, and it's that time again. We're gonna say goodbye.
Had a lot of fun dancing in the sun. Never once complained in the middle of the rain. So now it's time to say, see you later, alligator, and a wild crocodile, till we meet again, my amigo friend. Oh, we had a lot of fun.
Oh, we had a lot of fun
Dancing in the sun.
dancing in the sun.
Never once complained
Never once complained
in the middle of the rain.
in the middle of the rain.
So now it's time to say, see you later, alligator, and a wild crocodile, till we meet again, my amigo friend. Yada-da-da, till we meet again, my amigo friend. One more time, I hope to see you soon. Yeah, big hairy baboon.